Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install apps on laptop. There are several ways to install software on your PC or computer. The easiest way is to download the app from the Windows Store, and the second is to install the application through a browser. Here are a few simple steps to download and install apps on laptop. Firstly, click Start and type Store in the search bar. Click Windows Store and just open it. Type the name of the app you want to install. Click the app. Click Get. The app will be downloaded and installed automatically on your laptop. Installation time depends on the app type and your internet speed. Once installed, click Start and type the app's name. You can pin it to the taskbar or to Start. Now you can open and use the app you have installed. That was the first way to download and install apps via the Windows Store. Now I'll show you the second method. Open a browser on your laptop. Here, I'm using Chrome. Then, type the name of the app you want to install in the search bar. For example, I'll download the Monitor app. Then, visit the official website or a third-party site to download the app. Once the download is successful, open the download folder. Right-click the application and click Run as administrator. Then, simply install the app on your laptop. The process for each app may be different. Essentially, follow the installation instructions for the type of app you want to install. That's the tutorial on how to download and install apps on laptop. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.